Hey y'all, you read the description, you saw the picture. Today we're making one of my favorite homemade tortilla chips. This is a very simple recipe. All you need is flour, salt, olive oil, and warm water. The steps are very easy to do. Just mix everything together. The one thing that I will be specific about is only add about a tablespoon of water, warm water at a time. You don't want to add up too much water and it becomes too sticky. You have to add more flour, you have to find that balance. No, just do a tablespoon of water, mix it up, add another tablespoon or two, mix it up, add another tablespoon. And you just see how once it gets to this nice ball of dough, you know you added the right amount. Now, here I am, I'm putting it on a cutting board, I'm spreading it out, make sure I have enough flour on there, kneading the dough. Now many people wondering, why am I doing this myself? This is a bit too time consuming. And it does take a little bit more work. You could easily just go to the local store, get some tortillas, cut them up and fry them, or you can just buy a bag of fried tortilla chips. Now I don't have tortilla chips here in Germany, at least they're harder to find in my area. So I decided to make my own, but even though I could just buy tortillas and cut them up, the one thing about doing it yourself is that you can control what ingredients you are putting in your body. If you ever tried to read the back of any item, you start to realize there are certain things added, certain preservatives added that you probably can't even pronounce. Well, with this recipe, I only needed four ingredients. It took me longer the first time to make it, but I make these every week now. And it's becoming faster and faster, maybe 20 minutes now to get the dough set up to make tortillas, another 15 to fry it. You want to make sure the oil is hot enough. First of all, I got to turn into a harder tortilla. You can kind of skip this step as well, but it's something about making a tortilla into a right tortilla before you try to fry it, especially if you're trying to save it for later. That dough on top of dough is just going to stick together. So this kind of turns into a tortilla by putting it in the pan. And then the next step is to fry them. Make sure your oil is hot enough. It's better if you have a hard bottom pan, such as a cast iron skillet. It makes make sure the temperature is even throughout. I could cut them up into perfect triangles, but who cares? The bottom line is the taste, and it comes out very well. Because I'm not using a lot of oil, it doesn't take as long for the temperature to raise back up. You only need about 30 seconds to a minute per side for the tortilla chips to make. This makes about 4 tortillas, this recipe. And after you cut the tortillas, it makes about 1 basket full of chips, which is enough for 4-5 people. And that's it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.